Dear students, let's we continue evolution of an OB. In that there is subpoint is Havathon studies. The Havathon studies gave a academic status to the study of organizational behavior. The studies were carried out at the Western Electric Company's Havathon works in Cicero, a suburban of Chicago, and are closely linked with the name of Elton Mayo as a professor of industrial research at the Harvard School of Business Administration. Mayo was the person most responsible for conducting the studies and publishing their significance. Naturally, he is called the father of human relations movement. From that para, what you understand, dear students, the Havathon studies gave an academic status to the study of organizational behavior. Means organizational behavior is one subject or a concept is to be introduced in the academics, means in your education. Okay, and this done by Havathon studies. This is a experiment. The studies were carried out where a Western Electric Company's Havathon work in Cicero, okay, and the suburban city is what? Chicago. This is closely with his name, the Elton Mayo. Who is he? He is a professor of industrial research at the Harvard School of Business Administration. Mayo was the person most responsible for the conducting the studies and publishing their significance, means importance. Okay. Next, so all people called him a father of human relations movement. Let's we go ahead. The Havathon experiments brought out that the productivity of the employee is not of the function of only physical conditions of work and money wages paid to them. Productivity of employee depends heavily upon the satisfaction of the employees in their work situation. Mayo's idea was that logical factors were far less important than the emotional factors in determining productivity efficiency. Mayo conducted that work arrangements in additions to meeting the objectives requirements of a production must at the same time satisfy the employee's subjective requirement of a social satisfaction at his workplace. The Havathon experiment consists of four parts, that are illumination experiment, relay assembly test room experiment, interweaving program, bank wiring test room experiment. So dear students, what you understand from that para? The Havathon experiment brought out what? A productivity of employee is not what? Function of only physical condition of a work of money wages paid them. Means what? The productivity of any organization or industry is not only depend how we physically give them satisfaction, how we hike the salary. This is not important for what? Productivity, increase a productivity or a satisfaction of employee. No, productivity of employee depends heavily upon the satisfaction of their what? Emotional, their subjective, means individual expectations, their social satisfaction at his workplace, and this gives to productivity of employee. If employee are satisfied with their social aspect and their work requirement, then what? Productivity is of employee is very high. And this experiment proved by Elton Mayo through their Havathon experiments. For that, he is doing four parts. The first one is what? elimination experiment, relay assembly test room experiment, and interweaving program and bank wiring test room experiment. This all experiment I am carried out in a next lecture in detail. Thank you.